Welcome back, guys. So right now, let's talk about analytics. This is your page, and after we sent the invite, we have about 10 followers joining the page, and you could see it boosts the search appearances of the page. Then you have post impression increased by 40 percentage. So this is an improvement because of the little things we've done, and this is how to go about like boosting a LinkedIn page. If you do this over and over again for a year, your page will definitely get to above 1000 followers. That's if you post consistently and you apply all these strategies into what you do. So you could check your analytics. Yes, you could check your analytics. This is just the dashboard where you get to see everything that happens. But this menu right here is your analytics menu. Then you could check everything from the very beginning. So this now shows the impression, how many people sees your post or your page. Then you see 9 reactions, 0 comments, 0 posts so far. So this is just an impression, and for every post, these are the impression for every post. Then you get to see the views, the clicks, the click to action, or calculated as clicks impression. Yes, so these are your metrics for each post if you are interested in that. But then there are other metrics you could see. You could change the date of your metrics to the last 1 year. It depends. You could change the metrics to visitors. Then you see 4 page views, 4 unique visitors, 0 custom button links, and button clicks, and that is that basically. Then your followers, you get to see how many followers you have. This is Abuja, Nigeria, Lagos, Nigeria. Then you see people that just followed your page. As you could see, these are the people that followed this page after being invited. These are those. Then you could go on and on, look at your search appearances and see top page searcher demographics. You see Business Now, Comedia APS, Con Media APS, Nationwide Building Society, and check your leads. So we don't have any leads because we didn't create any lead generation form. Yes, and competitors. Let's see if they are competitors. I didn't add any competitors because I have not added any, but I could add any if I feel like this particular company is my competitor. I could add that into this so we can track the analytics. Yes, basically. So that is how to go about this. So let me try to use that competitor thing. Let me try to use it on one of my pages because I know the competitor of that very page. So let me come to analytics right here, just like I was showing you there. So these analytics, for instance, you could say for the last 365 days, you see the overall analytics. As you could see, the number of comments, the number of reactions on a page like this. These 328 followers so far. The same strategy is being used. You could check the visitors and you see visitors. Now the competitors, like I said, you need to add a page name. So these are page names for competitors. So let's check, let's continue and see. So now you're going to see your competitors highlights. Then you see for TS Academy. So you could go into this and see like your data inside. So that's the page for this. So you use here to add competitors will automatically be on your page. For instance, I could choose to delete some of the competitors, of course, as you could see from here. I could choose to delete some of them that I feel like they are not. So these these are the competitors metrics. So let me edit competitors and delete people or companies that I feel like they are not. These are not competitors. These are not. 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 Just this. Let's use that for instance. And now When you check this right now, you see competitors highlights. Then you get to see the engagement rate, the total posts, and you see 78.6% better than Black Academy, and top post metrics still better, total engagement metrics still better, and that is how you get to set all these things. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.